Hi guys, it's your girl Hawa Karim, and yes, you're welcome to Insem Ghana. Motimin kana munim se media nsema ehihye to kromu nyina me de bebremo eno asunti na mete ha se na ende de obviously made nsem fofo and I say asem fofo ena but it's still on the singaton same one when you line from 24th to 27th where the news be a baby e we say singaton so news kakra ebe wo mu same what say enti the singaton we are not getting tired anytime soon. Me the news ne just ne ebe Kimusa until say Singaton no ebe over, but until then no Mr. Moa updates bia me de bebremo enunti ende me de updating so bremo. So currently no Afua Asantewaa has recorded and I said she has been singing for the past 3 days, which is 72 hours, and we recorded for the past 72 hours and still counting, which is a very very good move in Kofuenia GA because Charlie. At a point, people were giving up. Now, Kofuhuni say, "Ish, I did with us one to me, of course. None the voice na about down kakra. It was just on and off, so people were not really certain. Oma no more hope, no be more hope about down. But still, majority of the people no bia when say she can do it. Once waba wanted so be na Ghanaians and so air supporting, definitely she will do it. And trust me, she's still doing it. Now, this has brought me to another news. Once recently I brought you a news. Our renowned and I say our famous renowned producer your friend Zapp Mallet the news be ebeto abonte man kofo the dinner time here and there sisiano ono ankasa thinking about whatever he wrote and our abonte abe retracting his statement. So according to him no or say na onim say he was judging Afua into a very very sorry. Let me read what he tweeted on and that's what he posted on Facebook. I say guys, I'm so sorry. I just realized I was judging Afua Asantewaa so hard. Please forgive me with some praying emojis. And I'll say, I didn't know the rules, but I said some of the things out of concern for her. Please don't get me wrong. I'm behind her just like every Ghanaian. Sir, and Zapp Mallet, Eddie Abeto Abonte, is a CCAD or Ghana for more fan channel or no your support. No, he didn't really mean say or person or discouraging on any man, but then he was speaking out of concern. But still, anyway, Ghana for day we are very forgiving into the Yadia channel. So this Ebeche was saying Kofu be now more negative energy. See how who say no, the way the thing is going, the lady, I do be break it record no, cause it's not easy to sing for just 24 hours. The fact that what singing for 24 hours, I will move it to 48 as you see almost 72 and still counting it. I said the lady would definitely break this record. And no, and I'm a miniadi panko for bebenswa any aje. But another interesting news, they say listen, the support now onya from day one. No, as at now I'm in the workers and support are increasing massively. Just say almost every celebrity is after who all of them are showing their support. So as at now there's like we're a celebrity now and for one case you will not even feel okay because the way everybody is going to show their support. No, if you don't pass through, people will roast you on social media. And wherever you do, unless you're out of the country. But what Ghana has a power there, you have to find your way there and go and show support because everybody from your vice president to top artists, Sarkodie, Shatawale, and a lot of them. Sisi Akwamile Wakasana Samweja Mwako Belamundi, the legendary Keiko Fosukwa, Afa Homnu, Lewen Kojon Cancer, Timakunkum, Gloria Safu, a lot of people, guys. I can't even start mentioning their names. Almost Dawson who follow social media and videos and me sure say we who be na Afa Homnu be brain so egusu omo Afa Homnu. Say yes, wherever you are, if still say won't call her the go and show your support to Afua Asantewaa because she is killing it. She is making Ghana proud and we are super proud of her. So yes, this is updates for abache say more negative energy no. Sisiano adani bebrene who say no aso mulu say be so mobeka you vim no so that everything will be JJ what I say. So yes, a lot of people are showing support and it's not too late to still show support wherever you are. Won't call her not say if you can't go there, just use the little data that you have in tweet and just type something on social media, let people know that this is what is happening in Ghana. Wama December 23rd 25th December Christmas no aye there was a pa anko bebre kasa. Most people didn't have plans to ticket and event in way like a free event something what I say ubia etimi fa ho aye nji wusika utimi didi free crowd was and free drinks and things. So this is very very good. Just say wama nkofo bebre or Christmas no Christmas yankasa say what you say. So yes, wherever you are, you can still pass through to show your support. Inti and I made basic, but don't forget say any update be as we are counting down and to be an target no from 24th to 27th no ebe hate. I'm in Okasa Sisia and day 27. So obviously by midnight any chinane die. Now I hate it. So Sisia no all we need is your support and your prayers. Now all baby we no so no e ho no kwana just no ebe de kese pa medini na ebe hukimo right here on Insem ewa Ghana it open send ni bebre ti and make sure so be subscribe on our channel baby YouTube, Facebook, Instagram baby not just wait for us. Hit on the notification bell, no hit it. Send a post here and ubenya updates. Now I'll bring you more details, but for now, it's bye bye.